Okay, welcome to the lecture session on numerical problems on easy circuits. I am your faculty Rajiv. Okay, so I believe that you have reviewed all the formulae and expressions relating to single phase circuits and also the three phase circuits. Okay, so if you know all the formulae and the concepts, the way of solving the problem and the logics you have to apply to solve the problem will be easy. Okay, so now we shall solve one problem after the other. Okay, so let us see first problem. A current of I is equal to 0.8 2.8 sine 94.3 t plus pi by 6. Okay, let me write this first here. What they have given? They have given the instantaneous current I is equal to 2.8 sine 94.3 t plus pi by 6. Okay, plus pi by 6. I will mark this as equation 1. So you should know the equation, like you should know the standard equation. You should know the standard equation and you have to compare this with the standard equation. What is the standard equation? Instantaneous value of a current is given by I is equal to Im sine omega t plus or minus 5, right? So what is Im now? Im is equal to 2.8 amps. Okay, what is omega? 94.3 radian per second. So this is what you can learn from here. And also the current angle with respect to reference, the current angle with respect to reference phi is equal to pi by 6. What else they have given? Let us see back into the problem. Is flowing through a resistance of 10 ohm connected in series with an inductance of 1 Henry. So they have given one resistance and in series with it one inductance of 1 Henry, and what is the resistance? 10 ohm. Okay, 10 ohm, and the current flowing is 2.8 sine 94.3 plus pi by 6. Okay, that is the current is flowing. Okay, what is the applied voltage? I have to calculate. See here, obtain an expression for the voltage across R and L combination. What is the voltage? Current is given, impedance is given, then you have to calculate the voltage, that too in the standard form, in the instantaneous form. Vm sin omega t plus theta, in that form I have to write. For that I is here and V is here. I have to calculate this V. So before that, here you should make one observation. They have given it in the inductance value. Okay, you have to calculate the reactance of this inductance. In every statement of the problem, if you see the data on inductance and capacitance, if they have given the reactance or the value of inductance or capacitance itself, you should see. After that, if they have given inductance and capacitance value, then you have to calculate the reactance value. If they have given reactance value directly, you need not to do any further things. You directly go into the calculation of impedance. Okay, now what is XL? XL is equal to omega L. This formula you know. What is omega is given here? XL is equal to, you compare with the equation here. Omega is 94.3. Yes, 94.3 into L. What is the value of L? 1 Henry they have given. So XL is equal to 94.3 ohms. Hope this is understood. Now what is impedance? Impedance is equal to Z is equal to 10 plus J 94.3 ohm. Why I have taken plus J? It is a lagging circuit as or inductive circuit. In impedance, plus is for inductive, okay, minus for capacitive or leading. It is called as leading or lagging. Okay, lagging. So it is a lagging circuit. So Z is equal to 10 plus J 94.3. What is the magnitude of Z? Z magnitude is equal to square root of 10 square plus 94.3 square. Why it is like this? You know the impedance triangle. Z XL and R. So this is the angle phi. So what is this angle phi? Phi is the impedance angle, or phi is the angle between voltage and current. Angle between the voltage and current. What is the angle between voltage and current? That is nothing but the power factor angle. How we have derived this impedance triangle, you should know. It is from the voltage triangle IZ, IXL, IR. Okay, this is the reference will be I. Taking reference I with respect to I current in a pure inductive circuit, IXL is the voltage across the inductance. This is IXL. Okay, this is IXL. This is IR. IR will be laying on the I only. IR will be laying on I only, but with respect to IX will be, the voltage will be leading and current will be lagging. Current will be lagging by 90 degree in pure inductance. That's why I have written IXL here. The resultant of IR and IXL will be IZ. So what is the voltage IZ? This is voltage V. V is equal to IZ. This is the total voltage across the R and L combination. This is the voltage. IR is the voltage across R. IXL is the voltage across reactance or the inductance. So what is the total voltage? IZ, that is given by here. Okay, so this is how the impedance triangle is derived. Removing all common I, you will get Z, XL, R. That's it. Okay, this is impedance triangle. If I multiply this by I, it is a voltage triangle. Okay, hope this is understood. And just in between I am explaining this because you might have forgot this. Okay, you might have forgotten this. Okay, now what you have to do, this is IR, right? This is IR and I. What is the, this is the total series current I and V. What is the angle between I and the total V? This V, that is angle phi. So impedance angle and power factor angle both are same. So what is the phi angle? Phi angle is equal to tan inverse of XL by R, right? XL by R. Tan of angle phi is XL by R. So phi is equal to tan inverse of XL by R. So tan inverse of XL is 94.3. And what is the value of R? The value of R is 10 ohm. So 10. So that is angle phi. So now you can calculate this. Okay. So what is the value of Z? Square root of 10 square plus 94.3 whole square is 94.82 ohms. What is the unit of impedance? 94.82 ohms. Okay. What is the angle phi? The impedance angle 83.94. Tan inverse of 94.3 divided by 10. So, and the way how I have written here, A plus IB form, it is in A plus IB form, right? This form is called as rectangular form. Hope you know this already. Okay, rectangular form. Instead of doing all these calculations in calculator, you can directly convert this into polar form. How to do polar form? Just make sure that it is in the computation mode. Number 1. Okay, press this shift plus sign. If you shift and plus sign, you will get polar form. Polar form of what is polar form of 10 comma, see here 10 comma 94.3. Okay, close the bracket, is equal to, it will come around 94.82. see here 94.82. This is magnitude of impedance. What is the angle of impedance? The angle of impedance is alpha, in pink color it is there, alpha f is equal to 83.94. see 83.94. So you can do it directly only rather than doing all these calculations. Now you have got impedance. I am repeatedly telling the key for every solution of any AC circuit problem is V is equal to IZ. But I have here maximum value I have, and also I want to express voltage in terms of Vm sin omega t. So in the standard form, so I want Vm only, I don't want RMS value. So I can write like this: Vm is equal to Im Z, right? So the ratio